Hi there, it's Dr. Judith Briles. I'm the Book Shepherd, and in our 3-minute or less tip, I have a question for you. When's the last time you updated your email signature? Do you have an email signature? Let's start there. All right, do you have an email signature? Please tell me yes. Next question, when's the last time you updated it? I'm going to encourage you to take a look at a email that you get from others. How are they? Are they plain Jane? Or do they have a little pop? Do they have color? Do they have an image going to it? I just have 4 new books coming out this year in the year 2022. And I just took a swath of all of the book covers and a block with my picture too. So it's one block. And this is the tip. If you have too many images, too many hot links in an email signature, the Googles, the GoDaddies, the Gmails, the Hotmails, fill in the blank might boot you out. Or if you're working with a corporate clientele, you may not even get in the door because there's just too much going on. If you have imagery in your signature, which I think is a great idea, I have my picture and my book covers of the last 4 books. With 42 books, it's way too much. But with those in there, what I do is then I put it in, just drop it in my signature block, and it just shows as one image instead of what it could be, in this case, 5. All right, so do an update. Make sure you have some color. Your name, big. You're big. Maybe your expertise, big. Make sure that your email is on it. Because a lot of people think, well, they got my email's there. Yes, it is, but if they printed out your email, it wouldn't be there. In your signature, phone number, email, how to contact you. If you've got a podcast, get your podcast on there. If you've got maybe a new book or forthcoming book coming, get it in there. But do add your picture, and certainly your latest book. And then your tagline. What's your tagline? Include that in it. Email updates. Think about it. I look at it every 3 months when it's ready for a change. I encourage you to. This is Judith Briles, Book Shepherd. Hey, please share our tip. Follow me on Twitter at MyBookShepherd and join the Facebook group, Judith Briles Book Publishing.